Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove reediting access in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you want to prevent respondents from going back and changing their submitted answers, ensuring that your data remains consistent and reliable. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the forms you want to modify. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your created forms are stored and organized. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms, which displays the forms you've worked on most recently. Browse through these and click on the specific form where you want to remove the reediting access. This will open up the form editor, giving you full control over its settings and configurations. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll see several options for managing your form. Click on Settings. This is where Google Forms houses all the key configurations that control how your form behaves, how responses are collected, and what permissions respondents have. In the Settings menu, you'll notice different sections. Look for the one labeled Responses and click the arrow beside it to expand this section. The Responses area contains all the settings related to how people can submit and interact with their form submissions. This is exactly where we need to be to make our change. Within the Responses section, navigate down until you find the option that says Allow Response Editing. This feature, when enabled, gives respondents the ability to go back and modify their answers after they've already submitted the form. To remove this reediting access, simply toggle this option off. Once you do this, respondents will no longer be able to edit their submissions after clicking Submit, which helps maintain the integrity of your collected data. And that's it. You've successfully removed reediting access from your Google form, ensuring that once someone submits their response, it stays final and cannot be altered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.